can we grow the business with this customer? All right. Is it expected to keep growing in the future? Loyalty. Will they stay with us? Or will they every year come back and ask us, got discount or not? No discount, I go somewhere else. Image value. Will they attract other customers? Right? If let's say you took their business, you got their business, and the next year you chatted with some other customers and they say, hey, you got reference or not? Who else buy from you? And then you say, hey, this customer also buys from us, you know. Now, image value, if it's high, possibly you will bring in another 50%. Some new customers who are impressed that you are working with this particular customer. Our job is to select the customers that will be the best combination of short-term profitability and long-term value.